Welcome to Ally Edge. So I had some scrap pieces of metal, and the other day I made a tuck shrinker. And I had a couple people interested in whatever, so I figured I'll go ahead and show you how to make a quick tuck shrinker. And if you don't know what a tuck shrinker is, it's used for doing tuck shrinks in metal. And then you can use that for shaping metal, and you take and hammer these tucks out. And if you're metal, into metal forming, metal shaping, and metal working, you'll know what I'm talking about by a tuck shrinker. I have other videos if you want to go back and look at those, and I'll try to have Heidi link some of the videos down below or up top or somewhere in there so that you guys can watch the videos. But anyways, this is the tuck shrinker that I made the other day, and I'm gonna go ahead and make another one right now. And I found a piece of scrap metal that I like the size of it, so I wanted a smaller one, so I figured this would work. And this is just 1 inch by 1 inch, 1/8 inch tubing. I do that every time, you know that?
It's only natural to start at the top.
So I have two old beat up, these are just some yard sale crafty junky punches, and I don't use them. They're just center punches, and they're real soft steel, so I don't really need them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buzz together a quick tuck shrinker, and I'll show you how I did it. So I shimmed them up so they're in the middle of this square tubing, and I'm gonna go ahead and weld those together. Need my helper here. And this is just a quick tech tip. If you wanted to build a tuck shrinker, and just like that, you got a tuck shrinker. 2 punches, a piece of scrap steel, and that'll work good. That'll be a nice little tuck shrinker. And now I have a smaller one too, so I got a big one and a small one. And it should work out great. But anyways, it's just like that. It's fast, quick, easy. You don't have to go and spend a bunch of money on tools. You can take what you have and make something cool with it. One of our mottos in our shop is making it work. We're always looking in our backyard and making it work. That's our 2 mottos. And you can take something that's junk that you found in your backyard, around your area, around your shop, or in your backyard, and make something cool out of it, making it work. But anyways, please subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching.